Hi guys, we're going to make a fall jar today. So you could use a mason jar or a pickle jar or any kind of jar you want for this. And I purchased a mason jar at the Dollar Tree. So the first thing I did was I cleaned my jar off with some rubbing alcohol, make sure there's no oil or glue left on my jar. I'm going to be using some vinyl, and I got this at Dollar Tree. It's by Crafter's Square, and it was $1.25 for this little roll of vinyl. On the back of the vinyl I drew a leaf, and I'm going to cut this out now. So I peeled off the white backing and I stuck my leaf on the jar where I wanted it, and then I pressed around the leaf to make sure it was sealed on. I'm not concerned about air bubbles in the middle of the leaf. More I'm concerned about the outer edges of the leaf being sealed down tightly because I'm going to be painting over this. So I'm going to be using Classic Caramel by Apple Barrel, and it is a multi-surface. This is a satin acrylic paint. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the front of the jar. I'm using a dabber sponge to do this. And I'll just go ahead and do the bottom of the jar right now. Okay, so I carefully peeled up the sticker or the vinyl with a pair of tweezers. I started on the corner of the leaf and I very carefully did it because you don't want to scratch the paint. I might have done it a little bit on the corner, but it's not noticeable. And then I pulled up the leaf on it. And you want to do this before it dries. And I did one coat of paint for that purpose only because I didn't want to try to peel the leaf off with the first coat of paint drying. It's easier to get fine straight lines if you do it when the paint is still wet. So I finished painting the rest of the jar, and then I glued a piece of hot ribbon across the top. So there's a fall jar. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.